Hello everyone, my name is Kulvinder Kaur and I am a group leader of Project S210, which is a development of a personalized board based on mimicking an individuals. And my team members are Navreet, Kamal and Raman. As a project leader, I am monitoring all the activities which are performed by my group and share our ideas with each others. In the past sprint, I focused on user stories and what kind of methodology need to use in this project. I got some ideas with the help of my lecturer and supervisors that how to work on each sprint and what the other new tasks need to be added for future sprint. According to the product backlog, I have done user stories. In according to my knowledge, I got help and developed my skills to complete my work in this sprint. I have done different research on different articles related to my project. And also as a project leader, I need to decide which methodology is best for my project. And I was very confused about choosing the methodology, but after researching a lot of articles, I find a solution. And also my supervisor advised us that we need to apply mixed methodology, that is qualitative and quantitative. From the last sprint, I got some informations about how the chatbots are working on different sectors based on article. I performed various tasks in the last sprint like to create user stories, burn down chart and how to write the theme of the sprint. And task board is also a major part of the sprint. In the task board, we need to mention that what task we are going to do, which task in progress, and how many task is completed. After getting some knowledge of data framework of POT according to the requirements, our team will work different type of methodology like qualitative and quantitative methodology. In to making this sprint better, the sprint could be better if me and my team members research on more articles and discuss with each other on each problem, because more research on different tasks give us more information and knowledge about the chatbots. So in each sprint we need to add some new task, like in sprint we are going to add research methodology, literature review, test case for making the sprint better. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Navreet Kaur and my student ID is 303482009, and I want to talk about my contribution in the sprint 1. Actually in the sprint 1 I focused on the requirement of the sprint 1 and the user stories that our team has to put in this project of the sprint 1. Firstly, we got the basic idea of the sprint, that what is the pattern and the structure to be followed, and then focused on it. In the sprint 1 we created a table of user stories specifying goals and benefits. Moreover, we also focused on the sprint backlog and the evidence which the which shows that we are doing the project from the client side and with the Ron, our project coordinator. Then from all of my previous experience from my course, I got help and developed my skills to complete my work in the sprint 1. The subjects like big data analytics, real-time analytics and digital revolution gave me a huge amount of specific knowledge that I would use to develop in the framework for the chatbots that can be user friendly. Moreover, the things that I learned from this sprint 1 is about the chatbots, that various chatbots are available and how to use them in every sector like transportation, education and healthcare, and many more. The chatbot stores a large amount of cleansed data that is extracted from the operational sources and then transformed into suitable format and can be understood by the end user for the analysis. Then the methodology is to be used in the development of the chatbots, like the semi-structured methodology, like we are going on agile methodology. In the semi-structured methodology, we can go with the qualitative as well as the quantitative analysis by following the interviews, questionnaires and the surveys, and then obtaining that data and using and analyzing it with the help of quantitative methodology. And lastly but not the least, in my opinion, what could have gone much better, if I would have done more research from the articles which are paid, because some of the articles are very expensive to be uh, thorough research, and I think I can go for more articles. I can search more and more to get the deep and extensive knowledge of the chatbots. So now I forward to my other friend to explain her contribution. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Kamaljot Randhawa. My student ID is 303498003. I want to talk about the contribution in Sprint 2. In Sprint 1, firstly I analyze the problems of client and my project, then find out the solutions. Also I search the goals of chatbot in future. These goals depend on our team analyze and requirement and need of our clients. Me and my team member was doing meeting with project coordinator, project client and project supervisor for more specific knowledge. So we will enhance the knowledge to develop the good framework of chatbots. For complete this project, my past study experience and articles are very helpful for me. I am also searching the literature review from my university library. I got lots of knowledge about the chatbots, like how it's work, what is the features of the chatbots and many more things. All these types of knowledge gives me a new idea about makes a new framework of chatbot. From Sprint 1 I learned many things about the chatbot. Now I forward to my team member to discuss about the next part. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Ramandeep Kaur, and now I'm here to describe what I did in Sprint 2 and what I learned from the Sprint 1. In Sprint 2, my mainly focus is to research the various academic journals so that I got maximum information through them that will be related to my project. My project is the development of personal chatbots, particularly focused on the health sector. So I just try to find out as much journals as I can. For this I used my library documents that is provided on Moodle library as well as from the Google Scholar. The articles that I used in this sprint is particularly based upon the specific applications of chatbot in medical sector. These chatbots are related to like cancer, for ladies who are going to give the birth to their child, for the diabetes patient, etc. The knowledge that I extracted from these academic journals is pretty much useful in our current project. This is our second project. So in this project it is easy for the whole group to assemble, collect whole information, and we organized it in a pretty good manner. In this sprint we follow all the instructions that are given to us by our supervisor as well as the class lecturer. We also try to connect to our client Dr. Bala Kumble as well as our coordinator Dr. Ron through various meetings that we are try to connect with him with the virtual world. These meetings will further elaborate what their exact expectations from us in this particular project. This sprint we completed within a 3-week period, where each team member do the work assigned to them. Thank you.